So, how was the after party?
After party, so sick because I have a fever.
Kala ko ano.
Bakit sick?
I actually finally met Rihanna's new boyfriend, Jordan.
Fuck you.
And City
City
and
set.
City and Kuya King.
Kuya
They are together that night. And Ethel Buba's brother, Mike. He's so good in English.
Because we are Englishers. You know what I'm saying?
Adisa naman.
What's up, homies? Welcome to what school is this?
St. Matthew's.
St. Matthew. Actually, we are picking up his sister and
My sister-in-law.
yeah.
That's it?
Yeah.
How was after party?
After prom was so sick.
After party?
Ay, after prom.
Oh my god!
Ah?
Oh, we have to go around.
Crippled.
Please relax.
Knock on the door.
Stop on your feet.
Maambon, oh. Saan nadaan?
Iikot tayo.
Pardon me, I can't understand you.
Sup, homie? Sup, dog?
What's up, dog?
Sup, dog?
What's up, dog? We are Englishers. May you motherfucker.
Let's go around.
Tracking around in the
Go around daw.
I did it.
I did it again.
Oh, I
Did it
did-
again. Ay, yun na tuloy ako. I'm Deezer.
Deezer ang puta.
I have Deezer now. Deezer.
O yun, nakita tayo.
Ha?
Nakita tayo. Saan ba kasi tayong lupalop ng mundo?
We can come in the schools.
Come.
We can